Okay, hi again. So today you can see that this video has 3 parts. The reason is because in this last part, I want to show you something that I said that I'm going to show you in our Zoom lesson, and then we just didn't have enough time, and that is how to make your own book. Okay, so these 2 pages are from your workbook number 2. They're pages 17 and 18. Now, if you have your workbook printed like this, double-sided, so that the print is on both sides, then it's going to look like this. Yeah, so on one piece of paper, you're going to have all that you need. However, if your workbook was printed at home by your parents, it's probably like this, how I have it. So 2 separate pieces of paper. In that case, the first thing you need to do is to glue these 2 pieces of paper together. Now, what is very important is that you do it really nicely, neatly, okay? So if you do it like this, with all these edges sticking out, your book is going to be, it's not going to turn out nice, okay? You need to very carefully stick it like this, okay? Edge on edge. Now, what is also important to pay attention is that you stick them like this, okay? That you don't accidentally have one side like this and the other one upside down. No, they both need to be like this, okay? So let me tell you what I'm gonna do, because you will need to cut a little bit, okay? I usually tell you to just put the glue around the ends, the sides, but this time I'm going to do it in lines. Okay, so look here. To cover more surface, so it sticks better, but still not to put too much glue, because you remember when we put too much glue, the paper becomes a little bit soggy. Okay, so I have glue on this one side, there's no reason to put on the other. And now neatly I'm going to stick it together, starting, yes, it's like this, edge on edge. Yeah, good. Okay, now I'm going to press it. Okay, you couldn't see that, but I was doing like this, with the palms of my hand, pressing. Okay, and now they're stuck together well. Okay, so look here. You have these lines. Here you should have a line. You can't really see it, but you need to cut under the numbers, okay, and this line here. So I have this big adult scissors. I suppose you have a bit smaller ones, and I'm cutting along those lines. So first here. So remember, if I'm explaining or doing things too fast, okay, whenever you need some more time, you can pause this video and return to it once you've completed the step. Okay, I'm cutting here under the numbers. Okay, here above. The paper in my printer is very, very long, okay? So here it's going a little bit apart, so I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. And then press it together, so nothing falls out. Okay, and then I'm going to cut here in the middle. Yeah, okay, good. Now, you need to find this page, this part. So you now have these 2 parts. You need to find this one with number 1, where you have a head of a hen in a wreath. Yeah, and you need to find this one with number 3 on it, hen on a nest. And then the picture of a hen on a nest should go right behind the picture of the hen. Okay, so 1, 3. Okay, and then, oh look, this is a little bit longer, this lower one, so I guess you can cut it a little bit. Okay, and now you need to fold it here in the middle. So again, edge on edge. Okay, so the hand should stay on the outside, the front page. Press, press, press. If you have a stapler, that would be amazing, because then you can staple it together. Okay, and then you have your own book. And actually the words in this book are not all that hard. You can actually try and read them. Okay, because it says here, red and hen, red hen. Number 1. Number 2 were just instructions, you don't read that. Then you have number 3. Red hen sits on a nest. Here is a hen, it's sitting on a nest. Now what does this say? Red hen. So you need to color this hen in, and it needs to be red. Okay, these little details you can put in any color you like. And then here again, it's supposed to be red. Moving on to page number 4, it says hen, a red hen pecks at a sack. Yeah, so you have a corn sack, it says here, corn. So you can color this in yellow. The hen is still red. Okay, and then you have a few more pages. Okay, try to read them. You can color in these pictures, and then you can keep this book. This is your first book you've made by yourself in primary school. Okay, as we work through your workbooks, you're going to be making some more books. Okay, guys, I'll see you once you're done with all your tasks here, which are, to remind you once again, doing the letters in your workbooks. Okay, then in your notebooks, please write 2 more lines of letter U, sound A, okay, and to make this book. Okay, when you're done with that, please come back. We're going to have a math lesson. See you when you're ready.